If you're doing any sort of DIY work, you absolutely need some sort of voltage tester to make sure that there is no electricity or electrical current running to whatever it is that you're working on, be it a light fixture, ceiling fan, or anything like that. This one is relatively inexpensive, pretty easy to use, just a little bit larger than the size of a big pen, operates on a single AAA battery, so that's convenient. But essentially, all that happens is you push the button, the indicator light blinks one time, and it makes one audible beep, and that indicates that it's on. When you hold it up to something with an AC current running to it, you will see that it starts beeping a lot more and blinking a lot more. That indicates that it is in fact on and there is a current running to it. Extension cords, power cords, all operates the same way, including ceiling fans, light fixtures, water heaters. You really just have to get close to the power source. And now, as you can see, once the electrical or the extension cord has been removed, it no longer does the blinking and beeping. It'll still beep one time when you press the button, but there is none of the audible beeping and blinking. Once you plug that cord back in, you can see that it did. If you cut the power off to a breaker and then go test the outlet, this should be the result as well. No more blinking and audible beeping. It'll just beep one time to indicate that the tester is in fact on, the battery's on and working, but it will not give you that audible beeping and blinking. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll always look forward to being a resource.